Miss Petro, Angel Elisaga. Toot, 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 toot. What is your name? Toot, toot. Oh, where do you live?
Mayamot. Politics.
Yay! What is your motto in life?
Biking.
Oh, very good. Miss bedroom number 2. Bea. Dumalanta. Toot, 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 toot. What is your name?
Hindi. Lapit ka. Lapit ka ngayon. Sana.
What?
What? And papa ko.
Where do you live?
Shona.
Sure na?
Hindi Mayamot. Mayamot.
How old are you?
Sabi mo. The Philippines.
Philippines.
Hindi. Ang siparate tayo ganun na. Ang sige.
What is your motto in life?
Ate Pidubida.
Thank you, Miss bedroom number 2.
Saga. Cute.
Okay. What is your talent?
Kakanta.
Okay. Mamaya ka na. Okay, kanta ka muna.
Bahay kubo, kahit munti, ang halaman doon ay siya'y singkamat at long, sigarilya.
Mabilis.
Kita bata putari, kunday patula,
Mabagal.
upat kalabata, at saka meron pa, labanos kata, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya, sa paligid-ligid ay puno na.
Thank you, Miss bedroom number 1, Miss bedroom number 2. Okay, Bea. What is your talent?
Kakanta pa.
Okay, start.
Hindi, bahay kubo ka. Bahay kubo. Pabilis! Nakahalaman doon, hay sari. Mabilis! Sari-sari, singkamas, aktalong, sigalidi at akmali, sitaw, bata, patani, kondor, patula, kupot at kalabasa, saka meron pa, labanos, mustasa, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya, sa paligid ay puro inga! Yay!
And the winner is wala! Yehey! Palakpakan! Bye-bye!